Me, why
You know
back
when
me
me want
money?
know? Who ever give me back my money? That me want know. Because me feel so the Met service to give me back my partner money when me go take and me cause them a predict God business and I tell you about how storm I come a Jamaica and how tropical storm warning. All them can go there. You know how long me not see lantern, you know how long me not see kerosene oil. I'm gonna take up the one of my money go and buy. And my partner money me go use. When my partner woman call me, I go direct the call over to the Met service because them is doing too much. Look how them come make we go spend up how much money we never have. Me never have no crackers money and me never have no bread money. Me never plan to buy no bread and me never plan to buy no crackers. I'm even like tin food. Me want know how me I gonna get back my partner money now. Talk to me now, Met service.
In the middle of the storm. Where the storm then? Storm! Me there wait for you. Where are you? The Empress out here.
And just as expected, people, this tropical storm has been discontinued. Hey, but nah lie, the same thing going in America with these meteorologists, and news and when tropical storm comes, it forces people to spend what them never want to spend. You see me, I say, as you can see, the whole shelf them they clear off and all of this stuff and the people them are ball that them have to eat all of this bread. You see me, I say, but like I said, the main people that's laughing is Andrew Holness and him rich friend them who owns those supermarkets. And the next time when they hear the meteorologist talking about the storm people, when they just call the fisherman them. Because as you can see, Andrew was begging them to leave the case because of this such storm. But them said them not leave, you see me, I say. And I guess the fishermen know why they said that because they never see the sea so rough. You know what I mean? But anyway, I'm just giving an update while going from now to go on, people. Let us proceed to the next update. Okay, people, it look like said this Merciless topic not dead. No pun intended. You see me, I said, but Bounty Killer has admitted that him and the DJ wasn't friends. You see me, I said, they wasn't even colleagues. You see it? Boy, Bounty Killer harsh, but it's just the truth. You know what I mean? And I think he should have said this from the get-go, but nothing that happens for his time, and he's in the Grand Cayman Island, and he did an interview saying a whole bunch of things from drug overdose to this and that. You see me, I said, but like I said, people, I don't feel no type of way with him saying that because I feel feelings. But when he goes to say that, it's because they use this mural of him and Beanie Man at Sting 2000 losing to Merciless. That's just a lame excuse because he said the fans them was celebrating because, honestly, people, how would Bounty know that they was going to use that image? You know what I mean? Him should have just said from the get-go he wasn't planning to go because they wasn't friend. You know what I mean? And he's quoted saying, me nah go enough funeral, me a bad man, no boy can ramp with me, and Merciless wasn't my friend. He wasn't my colleague, him a just a co-worker. Merciless no show me no love, no respect. Me no owe Merciless and him family nothing more than condolences. You see me, I say, and them say, drugs kill Merciless, and they just shy to say it. It was not no heart attack or nothing, brethren. A overdose killed the dog, and we no want even elaborate upon the dead man, nothing. But at them critics, figure. You see me, I say, boy. And say, people, him all bring up Assailant, Alliance who died the other day. You see me, I say. And him say, Assailant dead and buried it Thursday, and me no got the funeral. Oh, not dirty junk when I say nothing. And in my alliance, well, Bounty, as you can see, we did say something over here, but we want to have these bloggers on payroll that don't want to hurt in the feelings. So them now report the things them the right way, you feel me? But he said, tell them to go chuck through. Go chuck in a Merciless grade, me a bad man, Bounty Killer added, you feel me? Ja no. It looked like friend want to get the haircut, man. It looked like say boy. But anyway, people, put in the comment section what you think. Like I said, I accept what Bounty Killer is saying. He said that him and Merciless wasn't friends and that. You see me, I say, I don't know why it was made to look like they was friends to the public and to dancehall fans around the world. You know what I mean? That's why they were so heavily emotionally involved. Not seeing Bounty or Beanie there, but like I said, that's how the world was perceiving them to be brethren and this unity and love in the dancehall business. But Bounty Killer set the record straight, you see me, I say. But anyway, people, let's proceed. But anyway, Lord, no, John, no. I wonder if the family is going to say anything about, what they're saying about the drugs killed him, and people putting out a comment section what kind of drugs you think he's talking about. Yeah. Okay, people, quick update on the TANNEY case situation. I got the official charges list. Yes, the official list put out by the courts. You feel what I'm saying? And I'm going to need all of my lawyers and social media detectives to, put in the comment section what each charge means and how much time, if convicted for those charges. TANNEY KLLER is looking. As you can see, she has an A felony 1-count arrest charge for murder, depraved indifference. I'm gonna put in the comment section what that means. The next charge is a B felony manslaughter with intent to cause physical injury. A top charge, A felony murder intention. C felony, these are the, with the weapons charge and all of them stuff there, loaded firearm and gun other than handgun, and she got a C felony, the same business with a gun, so that's the one giving the update while going from what not to go on, because yesterday it was fresh, you feel what I'm saying? But these are the official charges. All who it wants to be updated on this case, this is for honor. You see me, I say, I'm not stay long on it, but yeah, man, boy, honestly, people, I think she's definitely gonna be guilty of the weapons thing, but as you can see, the murder and the manslaughter, I'm not too sure of. You know what I mean? Anything can go. You see me in the courtroom. You see it. But anyways, people, let's proceed. Okay, people. Justin is in the headlines again with Spice because of a viral video that has been put out by a voluptuous brownie. You see me? I say yes, and she's claiming that the Rasta is her man. You know what I mean? So let's take a look and then we'll proceed. Okay, people, this is the video in question. It got over 300,000 views on this lady's TikTok. I think that's the most view that she got, you see me, I say. But, watching that video, it makes me wonder if she's really dating Rasta or she's just clout chasing. You see me, I say, because first of all, she put a picture of Rasta that obviously he was wearing the same clothes that he was with Spice at Love and Hip Hop Las Vegas. You see me, I say, so she's using old pictures of Rasta. You know what I mean? If this is your man, you would want to use some new pictures and not one that people will remember his ex with. You see me, I say, but nevertheless,
bring it over to my place, you don't know what you did. Bring it over to my place, and you'll be like, baby, who cares? But I know you care. Bring it over to my place, you don't know what you did. Bring it over to my place, and you'll be like, baby, who cares? But I know you care. Bring it over to my place, you don't know what you did. Bring it over to my place, and you'll be like, baby, who cares? But I know you care. Bring it over to my place, you don't know what you did. Bring it over to my place, and you'll be like, baby, who cares?
Well, I go on from what I go on, and I don't want to sound disrespectful, people, but I know a Rasta woman them, you know what I mean? And he has several of them, you feel what I'm saying, and I'm gonna be honest with you. This one doesn't look like his type. You know what I mean? I'm not saying that she's ugly or anything, because she's a very beautiful female. But when I check her Instagram page, I don't think she meets the criteria to fit the Rasta. Rasta, a look woman with money that can take care of him, and him can, get him little chickens on and all of these things. You see me, I say. And she doesn't look like she fit the bill. You know what I mean? But I can be wrong still. But like I said, she is using pictures of Rasta that is like so old, you know what I mean? So I don't know why people them is following up the bagger, but obviously they're not subscribed over here. Anyway, people, I'm not longer this not longer. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest in dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless. Oh, if you made it this far in the video, comment below. Then let me know that you made it this far first and foremost. But we know the other day Popcaan revealed to the world that he had another child, and what we can see This is a grown ass kid. You know what I mean? To see how long Popcaan I keep secret from Uno. But put in the comment section. Do you think he breed a white girl or a black girl? You feel what I'm saying? But anyway, people, don't forget to have a wonderful week. Bless.